we've obviously touched on the formative years of you at school and the health issues, which obviously you say you had, well, clearly Dr. Sachs is a hero and followed you on your journey. When you were at ENS and you were getting into this, were you starting to form an idea of where you wanted your career to go? What sort of, were there any sort of decisions you were making then you think may have shaped what you're doing now?
Yes, and quite a difficult one, in that as a law student, you work really hard to get into a top-tier law firm. That's where you land, and very early on in my career did I make the decision that actually I found an area that I'd love to specialize in, and that's outside of a law firm. And so working at ENS, it gave me the opportunity to interface with really large corporates, and I absolutely fell in love with the financial services industry. The main reason for that is that I felt that I could directly impact the client in working with them when it comes to financial well-being, peace of mind. So there was something quite special and impactful in seeing that process. I knew that I loved commercial, I loved M&A. And so leaving practice was a decision that I had to make quite early on in my career.
You left and then went in-house, right?
Correct. And so being in-house counsel from a legal perspective, from a regulatory perspective, that was really something that I targeted quite early on.